Hi, Hunter. Are you drinking your smoothie that Mommy made for you? Has spinach and peas and carrots, watermelon, and mango, blueberries, coconut water. Is that yummy? And kiwi. Nice and nutritious. Yummy. It's Friday, April 5th. Hunter can't get enough of his smoothie, or he calls it juice. Is that yummy? Mmm. You want to give some to Mommy? You want to share? Here. Give some to Mama. Give some to Mommy. Mmm. Thank you, Hunter. That was very refreshing. Mmm. He loves it. Thank goodness. Because he doesn't like to eat his veggies off his plate, huh? Hi, Hunter.